Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Firebase Studio with GitLab. So Firebase Studio is a web-based code editor. It is built on top of Visual Studio Code. It is hosted on Google Cloud. So let me just click try Firebase Studio and let me just log in into my account. So I've already created my account through Gmail. So what I will do, I will create a new workspace. I will create an empty workspace over here, and I will name this workspace as demo project, and I will click create. After that, once this is created, I need to check whether Git is installed in my system or not. Let me just wait after this is done and dusted. It will take few seconds to complete. So the workspace has been created. Now I'm going to open a new terminal. So I will go over here and I will create new terminal. So this is the path of Google Cloud because this web-based code editor is hosted on Google Cloud. So now I'm going to check whether Git is installed or not. Git dash dash version. Yes, it is installed. This version is installed on Google Cloud. So now what I need to do next is I will go to the GitLab and I will create a new project or slash repository. And after that, I will create a blank project and I will name this as demo project. And I'm going to make this repository as public, and then I will create project. Once this is created, I will copy the path. So I will just go to the code and I will use this HTTPS path. Just copy and paste it over here. So I will use this command git clone and then followed by HTTPS path. But first, I need to install one extension. It's called go to extension. It's called GitLab. Type GitLab and press enter. GitLab workflow. You need to install this extension first. Install. It is going to take few seconds to complete. Just wait until this is done. So the extension has been installed. Now I'm going to close it from here. And now what I will do, I will just execute this command. Just copy and paste it over here and enter. Cloning in demo project. Now you are going to provide the username over here. And this is my username. So look, this is my username. Press enter. After that, you have to provide the password. So I'm going to provide my GitLab password here. So just provide the password here and press enter. We are done. Look, demo project has been cloned. Right now, I don't have anything in the repository. And this is how you connect Firebase Studio with GitLab. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you and have a great learning.